Yes, I'm excited. It's Nigeria's independence, and I had this idea of making a birthday bread for Nigeria. So let us get at it. So into my flour, I added my sugar, my yeast, my milk powder, my salt, and every other ingredient. Then I went ahead to mix my color, the green color. The green color was giving me lemon vibe, but I wanted the green color, so I added more color as it was needed. So I prepared my dough with adding coconut milk. I love using coconut milk in my bread. So I made my dough. Then after making my dough, I set it aside to proof. So as that was proofing, I prepared my plain dough just like I did for the green dough. And when it was done, the green dough had already proofed. So I added my margarine immediately and kneaded properly. So while I was done kneading, the plain dough had already proofed also. So I also kneaded the plain dough and it was time to make the shape. Oh God, I thought I was handling fondant. I wanted to make a marble dough, but it was blending, so I had to stop pressing at some point. I was so intentional that I measured my bread pan. So after measuring my bread pan, it was now time to make the figure 63 because Nigeria is 63. It wasn't as easy as I thought, but somehow, thank God, I was able to get something. I was able to make out the figure 63 and I egg washed. I had to look for something to make sure that the figure kept in shape. I had some leftover dough, so I made something creative from it. Yes. So this is what I got. Thank you so much. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch more interesting videos of my bread recipe, do check out my bread video playlist. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy independence to Nigeria. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.